morning students. Today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of integer. I explain the addition and the subtraction of integer with the help of this number line. Okay, we know integers. Integers is a group of number in which all the negative numbers, 0 and all the positive numbers include. Okay, we know the different number of groups, natural number of groups, then whole numbers, then integers. Natural numbers means counting numbers, 1 2 3 4 etc. Then whole numbers means 0 and all the natural numbers, 0 1 2 3 4. This is the group of whole numbers. And then integers means all the negative numbers, 0 and all the positive numbers included in this group. So today we are going to learn about the addition and the subtraction. First, learn about the number line. If the points on the line indicates number, then this line is called as a number line. Here are points and it indicates the numbers like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand side, and -1, -2, -3, -4 on the left hand side. So the value of number increases to the right hand side. As we go to the right hand side, then the value of number increases, and as we go on the left hand side, the value of number decreases. Okay, look at here. On the right hand side all the positive numbers, and on the left hand side there are all the negative numbers. All the positive numbers are bigger than 0 and all the negative numbers are smaller than 0. On the right hand side there are positive numbers, these numbers are bigger than 0, and on the left hand side there are negative numbers, these numbers are smaller than 0. Okay, so first learn about the addition of these integers. Look at here, I explain few examples with the help of this number line. -4 plus 5. Where is -4? Look at here. Here is -4. Plus 5. We add a positive number to the given one. That means we move forward how many units? 5 units from -4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We get 1. That means -4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Okay. Example is -3 plus 8. Where is -3? Here is -3. We add positive number to the given one. That means move forward 8 units. Here is -3. From -3, 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We got 5. That means -3 plus 8 is equal to 5. If we add a negative number to the given one, then look at here, I explain such example. 4 plus -7. If we add a negative number to the given one, then move backward. How many places? 7 units. Where is 4? Look at here. Here is 4. How many units? 7 units. Move backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We got -3 as an answer. Okay. If we add a positive number, then move forward. If we add a negative number, move backward on the number line. I explain another one. Look at here. 2 plus -4. Where is 2? Here is 2. -4 means move backward 4 units. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We got -2. That means -2 as an answer of this example. Okay. So to add, there are few rules. That if we add a positive number to the given one, then move forward on the number line how many units given in that example, and if we add a negative number, then move backward on the number line. Okay. Then we are going to learn about the subtraction. How to subtract the integers, first we have to know about the opposite number, the concept of opposite number, and after that we will subtract the given integers. So what is opposite numbers? So we are going to learn first what is opposite numbers with the help of this number line. Okay, stop. Opposite numbers, विरुद्ध संख्या. आपण या संख्या रेषेच्या आधारे विरुद्ध संख्या म्हणजे काय ते पाहणार आहोत. I explain the opposite numbers with the help of this number line. If the numbers are at the same distance from 0 but in the opposite direction, then these numbers are called as opposite numbers. जर संख्या ह्या शून्यापासून समान अंतरावर असतील परंतु त्या वेगवेगळ्या दिशेला असतील तर त्या संख्यांना आपण विरुद्ध संख्या म्हणतो. I explain here negative 2 and 2. If we jump 2 units on the right hand side of 0, then we get 2, positive 2. And if we jump 2 units towards the left of 0, then we got negative 2. That means negative 2 and 2 are at equal distance from 0 but on the different direction. Positive 2 is on the right hand side and negative 2 was on the left hand side. That means negative 2 and positive 2, these two numbers are opposite numbers. The next one, look at here. If I take 4, positive 4. Positive 4 is 4 units towards the right side of 0. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4 units. And negative 4 is also 1, 2, 3 and 4 units from 0. But this is on the left hand side and positive 4 is on the right hand side. That means positive 4 and negative 4, these two numbers are at equal distance from 0 but in the opposite direction. That means negative 4 and 4, these two numbers are opposite numbers. If we add these two numbers, then look at here, I explain. First we see the addition of opposite number. Negative 4 plus 4. Where is negative 4? Negative 4 is here. Plus 4. We add a positive number. If we add positive number to the given one, that means we move towards the right hand side. How many units? 4 units. Negative 4 is here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means we got 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. The next one is, look at here. 2 plus negative 2. These two numbers are opposite numbers. 2 is here on the right hand side and if we add negative number to the given one, then move towards the left hand side or the move forward on the number line. 2 is in the right hand side, here is 2. Then plus negative 2 means move towards the left 2 units, 1 and 2. We got 0. That means if we add opposite numbers, then we get 0. That means the sum of the opposite numbers is 0. कोणत्याही दोन विरुद्ध संख्यांची बेरीज ही शून्य असते. I explain another one. Look at here. 5 plus negative 5. Okay. You know very well, if we add a negative number to the given one, that means we move towards the left hand side. How many units? 5 units. Here is 5. Move 5 units towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We got 0. That means 5 plus negative 5 is equal to 0. That means if we add the opposite numbers, we got 0 as an answer. That means sum of the opposite numbers is 0. Okay. Subtraction of integers. While solving the examples, first we remember this thing. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. Okay, here is an example. Subtraction of the integers means if we subtract a number from another, then it means to add its opposite to the other number. That means if here is an example, negative 8 minus negative 5. Okay, right negative 8 as it is, no change in first number. Then minus negative 5 means opposite of negative 5 is plus 5. Add the opposite of another number, that means addition. Opposite number of negative 5 is 5, that means negative 8 plus 5. Then we know how to add the integers in the second step. Here is negative 8 plus 5. If we add a positive numbers to any number, then move towards the forward. That means negative 8 plus 5. Here is negative 8 plus 5 means how many units towards the right? 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We get negative 3. That means negative 3 as an answer. Okay. First thing to remember is to subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. एका संख्येतून दुसरी संख्या वजा करणे म्हणजे दुसऱ्या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या मिळवणे हा नियम इथे आपण वापरलेला आहे. अजून एक उदाहरण याप्रमाणे पाहूया. ओके, लुक एट हियर. negative 4 minus negative 3. Negative 4 minus negative 3. Okay, negative 4 as it is, there is no change, plus the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Negative 4 plus 3, that means where is negative 4? Negative 4 is here, plus 3. We add a positive number, that means move forward. How many units? 3 units. Negative 4 is here. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. That means we got negative 1 as an answer. Negative 1. To subtract a number from another means to add its opposite. एखाद्या संख्येतून दुसरी संख्या वजा करणे म्हणजे दुसऱ्या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या मिळवणे. The second step is very important in subtraction, and then just add the numbers. Look at here. First, negative 8 minus negative 5 means negative 8 as it is. The opposite of negative 5 is plus 5. That means negative 8 plus 5. We got negative 3. In the second example, negative 4 minus negative 3 means negative 4 as it is. The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. That means negative 4 plus 3. Then we get negative 1 as an answer. Okay. Thank you.